Hey guys, I just wanted to do a pretty quick video today showing you how you can fix text issues in images that you have created in Midjourney or in Kittl, Ideogram, whatever AI image generator you're using. There is a really easy way to fix problems with your text. Midjourney is really bad at text for the most part. Occasionally it gets it right, but more often than not it gets it wrong. So rather than wasting your generation credits by rerunning these, hoping to get it right, I'm going to show you how you can fix the text in these really simple in Canva. Okay, so I have the raccoons here. I did this vintage Merry Christmas. I did. And over here in Kittl, we had a sweet but twisted. This was almost right, but it spelled twisted wrong. So I have these images already open in Canva, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to fix this. Okay. Now I have these pages set up here as the size of my Tumblr wrap, which is 2790 by 2460. You don't have to do that because you're really going to upscale these images in Photoshop or My Designs or somewhere. But I just like to have them the size I'm going to be working with anyway. And you can see on this first one here, this deer, that it almost has Merry Christmas right, but we're missing an A. Okay, so we're going to fix that real simple. We're going to select this image. We're going to go to Edit. And then over here on the left, you'll see your Magic Studio. And you're going to scroll until you see the grab text. Now, this is a pro feature. So if you don't have Kittl Pro, if you don't have Canva Pro, I'll leave a link below for it for you where you can try it out for 30 days free, see if you like it. It's well worth it just for things like this. And for background removal, and you can upscale in it. And there's a lot of different reasons that Canva is a very, very useful tool when you're making digital images. All right, so it's going through here and it selected what it thinks is text. Now you can see these little things up here are not, so we're going to ignore that. And I'm going to click on this box because this is the text right here. Okay, and I'm going to click grab, and it will now look at that text and try and see. Now it turned it into a text box rather than just an image. And it looks for a font that's similar to what you had. So now all we have to do is type in Merry Christmas and it is fixed. You can move it around, put it where you want it. And that looks good. So now that image is fixed. So let's go down here and do another one. Let me make this as big as I need it. And I think we'll do that. And again, we're going to select the image, edit, Magic Studio, grab text, wait for it to do the magic and find the text. And it has. So we're going to click that and click grab. All right, now this again has given us Merry Christmas. Now we can make that font a little smaller so it fits in there. And we can change the color, which I'm going to change it to the red. And then what I'm going to do, since I can edit it now, is I'm going to give that a little bit of an outline using... What color do I want to use? Let's see. Let's do not black. How about the tan? Yeah, there we go. I like that. We put that in there, center it, and now that font has been fixed. Okay, let's do this a couple more times just so you can see how easy it is to do this. Okay, we're going to edit. Grab text, and it selected that down there. Click on it and hit grab. All right, now let's edit this, let it snow. We can make it a little smaller if we want. But you get the idea. You can just now play with it, put it where you want. You know, there might be something you don't want there now. See this little piece here that was part of the text originally. We'll just grab our magic eraser and we'll get rid of that. Let me erase that. And let's erase that. Okay, so we can exit out of that now. Close that. And let's move our text back down. And that is done. You can add a shadow to that. You can do all kinds of fun stuff. Let's put a little bit of a curve on it since it's on that snow hill. There we go. Let it snow. Done. And let's finally do this one here. Edit. Grab text. Let it look for it. All right, select that. Hit grab. Midjourney is not too bad depending on your subscription. I have the $30 a month subscription, so I get 15 hours of generation time every month, and that's a lot. I rarely use it all. And I can actually earn extra time just by rating images in Midjourney. Okay, so but for Kittl, definitely important since you only get so many credits per day that, you know, it's a big deal if you have to use all your credits regenerating images because the font wasn't right. Okay, so now that's in there, and we're just going to turn that a little bit. Actually, let's, can we do, no, we're just going to leave that curved just like that. But it does look like it left some artifacts there. So again, we are going to select our image and we're going to go to the magic eraser and we're just going to erase that little bit there. And wait for it to do its thing. Perfect. So now we can drag our sweet but twisted text back down here. And there we go. Now I would prefer this to be on a flag, but I don't believe that's an option in Canva. I could put this into, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that text entirely because of the shape of this banner here, and I would prefer to do that in Photoshop, but Canva got rid of that text for me very well, so it's still useful even to remove text. Even if you just want to keep the design and get rid of the text, you can do that too. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to repair text in Canva, so you're not wasting credits, like I said, especially in Kittl. I love Kittl. I use it all the time, but you only have a certain amount of credits per day. So if you're wasting them regenerating images because the text didn't come out right, you know, that can cost you a lot of credits. So I prefer to just save them and fix the text in Canva or in Photoshop. Photoshop, it's not quite as, you know, one click and done. I have to do a little more work to it. So that's why I wanted to show it to you in Canva. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave them for me in the comments and I will get to them as soon as I can. My next video coming out is a really in-depth one on my designs, showing you how to set up your collection folders, your templates, and just bulk uploading to Etsy or Shopify, or even now WooCommerce. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.